How to structure your business data for success. Hi everyone, welcome to TechOS's channel, where we help businesses leverage technology for success. Today we are talking about something critical for every business: structuring your data the right way. Messy, unstructured data leads to lost opportunities, inefficiencies, and frustration. And well-organized data powers faster decision-making, automation, and scalability. So let's break it down into 5 simple steps to structure your data the right way. Step number 1, define your data needs. Before you start collecting data, ask yourself, what do I need this data for? Is it customer details? Is it sales transactions? Is it inventory tracking? Every piece of data you store should serve a purpose. Categorize your data into master data like customers and products, and transactional data like invoices and payments to keep things organized. Step number 2, after you have done the definition or the planning, use a relational database now. And if your data lives in spreadsheets scattered everywhere, it's time to move to a proper database system like PostgreSQL, MySQL, or NoSQL for flexibility. And these platforms give you better organization, faster queries, improved security. Think of your database like a well-structured warehouse where everything is easy to find when you need it. Design a scalable CRUD system. Step number 3. CRUD simply stands for create, read, update, and delete. And these are the 4 core operations for managing data. When we're talking about create, look at, can you add new records effortlessly? Is it easy to add a new record? And can you retrieve specific data in seconds? Is modifying data quick and secure enough? Do you have safeguards to prevent accidental losses as well when it comes to your data? A well-designed CRUD application ensures your team can work efficiently and avoid data chaos. And if you are not familiar with all of these ones, this is where you talk to us. We assist you. We can sit down with you. We look at what you really need to get from your data, and we design a solution for your needs. Step number 4, ensure data integrity and security. Your data is an asset, but only if it's accurate and secure. In this asset, if you look at today, that's where we can put AI on top of it, and that's where you can get nicer analytics from your own data that you manage. And here is how you can protect it. You can use data validation, prevent incorrect entries in your data. Do simple validations, like if someone is capturing an email, validate that it's a correct email. If someone is capturing a telephone number, validate that it's a correct telephone number so that you have accurate data. You also need to set user permissions. So not everyone should be able to edit any record. Set rules and guidelines in there. If it's financial data, maybe it's specific people. If it's this type of data, these are the people that will need to view the data. You also need to do regular backups. Never lose your critical business data. A single breach can cost you millions. Secure your system before it is too late. Step number 5, which happens to be the last one, is to automate and analyze. Now, data isn't just for storage. It's for insights and automation. Just storing data is not going to give you value, but you need to start getting insights and automation from your data. Integrate with AI and automation tools to reduce manual work. Use dashboards and reports to track key business metrics, and also leverage APIs and systems like Breeze for your invoicing, accounting, and analytics tools as well. Because your data should work for you rather than the other way around, where you work for your data. So once you have amassed and once you have accumulated data, let it start working for you when you start pulling analytics from there. And who do you talk to if you don't know how to do it? Talk to us. We can assist you on how to analyze data and how to analyze your data and produce the results that you're looking for. Structuring your data the right way can revolutionize how your business operates. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, these steps will help you. They will assist you to work smarter, faster, and more securely. And if you need help designing, like I mentioned, designing a powerful data system, Let's connect. Drop us a comment or contact us, send us an email so that we can get started on this path. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights that we continuously give you. See you in the next video.